float. Let's pop a balloon. Pop. Can you say B? Let's draw the letter B round and tall. Trace it with your finger, big and small. B, say it out loud. Yay! We learned B today. Learn. Great job! You learned the letter B. See you next time for C. Bye-bye.
If you like me, please subscribe, like, and share. I love you all.